好，第43條，佢咧就話 Mary, Tom and other 8 students participate in a solo singing contest. If each participant performs once only and the order of performance is randomly arranged, find the probability that Mary performs just after Tom. 嗱，佢話咧有10個學生去參加歌唱比賽，佢而家問如果咧阿 Mary 喺阿 Tom 後邊表演just after 即係咁啱係即係剛剛係緊接於 Tom 後邊演出嘅機會率係幾多？咁我覺得做呢一條咧最好咧用數數目嘅方向去諗，可能會容易明啲嘅。咁個 probability 咧就會係等於我哋decide 嘅 outcome 啦 ，over 翻total actual 嗰啲 outcome 嘅 number。咁因為佢有10個人，咁所以 total 總共可能性咧係10嘅 factorial 嘅。咁而因為佢話 Mary 要 just after Tom 啊嘛，咁即係 Mary 要喺 Tom 後邊啦。Mary 加 Tom 要係咁樣出場嘅，一定 fix 咗㗎啦。咁另外嗰8個人咧就任擺嘅。咁其實呢個位咧，我就建議大家可以當佢一個個體咁樣睇。咁所以咧就會變成9個人咁樣啦。咁有9個人總共出嚟嘅可能性咧就係9 factorial。咁呢個位咧就要諗下睇下得唔得啦。OK， 咁如果冇問題咧，就係呢個9 factorial 啦。咁其實約翻佢其實9 factorial 呢個其實係10乘翻9嘅 factorial 啊嘛。咁約翻佢答案咧就會係 B 優化10啦。